So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we move ahead, let me tell you about the upcoming sessions that we are going to start from 23rd of February. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily, we will be having 1 hour of sessions. And in this, we'll be conducting it will be a mentorship kind of thing in which we will cover from the scratch about TypeScript, Playwright. So we'll be covering API automation using Playwright, mobile automation using Playwright, UI automation using Playwright. And then we will also give you an exposure to the Gen AI tools which are in the market, which the QA should learn to upgrade their career. So Gen AI is very much in demand and it is not there in demand to replace you, but you need to be adaptable in the market now to use those tools to make yourself more productive. So this sessions would be happening. It would be 45 hours to 50 hours of sessions, would include quiz, would include assignments, everything, notes, interview preparation, what all things you need for getting a job in the QA in 2026 is going to get covered in this particular thing, right? Now, let me tell you about one of the remote jobs. So there are many other remote jobs also. So we have consolidated a list of the remote jobs in the month of February 2026, and I'm going to put all those links in the first comment. So please make sure that you are having an access to all those links. So this is a remote job and you can see it has been posted 3 hours ago. Career Experts Consulting, they are hiring for QA. Okay, they're hiring for QA and it's a remote job. Okay, so you can apply for this particular position. There is not much of the job description. Yeah, here it is given. Sorry. So they are given the job description like they are looking for someone who has 3 to 6 years of experience in manual automation testing, strong knowledge of QA and SDLC, experience with automation tools and CI/CD environments. And so this is a remote role that you can apply. Now let me show you other opportunities as well. So today we have got freshers opportunities as well. So every time it becomes like freshers, they are commenting, sir, why are you not posting job for freshers? So I don't have any kind of partiality for the experienced candidates, but as and when we get the information from the market, we try to bring it to you as soon as possible, right? So let me show you one of the fresher opportunity. So this is an opportunity for freshers in which they are expecting the qualifications of BSc, BCA, 2024-2025 passed outs, and the name of the company is Speridian Technologies, and they are looking to join this particular company on an immediate basis. So you should be looking forward to join this company. You should not tell that you need 1 month or you won't be available for next 2 months. They are looking for immediate joiners. Okay. Hands-on development experience, good understanding of SQL, strong skills in JavaScript, API development, familiarity with Angular and low-code platforms, ability to write clean and high-quality code. And this is the email address where you can share your CV. Okay. Then there's a requirement of one of the company which is hiring for multiple roles. So all the roles are listed here. Okay. So you can apply here. Multiple roles are available here. You can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA manager, 10 plus years of experience. So yesterday in the live session, we were getting questions on the requirements of 8 plus years, 9 plus years, 10 plus years. So those requirements are there. Those are less because people prefer first hiring the mid-level candidates, then the managerial level candidates, right? And managerial level candidates stay in the company for 3 years, 4 years. But mid-level experienced people, they switch in 1.5 or 2 years. So it becomes very important to balance that kind of experience range in the team. Location Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Bangalore, and they are looking for immediate joiners. And the tools that they are looking is for test automation, Power BI, Jira, Azure DevOps. So all of these things are required. You need someone who can lead the QA strategy with execution for Azure-based data pipelines, implement test automation for ETL processes, and validate data accuracy. These are must-have skills, 2 plus years in a lead role, expertise in Azure, ETL testing, SQL. There's more of ETL testing kind of a role. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then there's a role for the Playwright Automation Engineer. It's a remote role. The shift timings would be 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And you have to share your resume to this particular email address. They are looking for notice period with immediate joiners to 15 days. Job type would be contractual. And these are the job descriptions that they have kept. 5 plus years of experience in testing, strong proficiency in the Playwright framework, solid experience in JavaScript or TypeScript, right? Then again, internship opportunity. So there is a hiring for automation and AI testing interns, and the location is Pune. They are looking for immediate joiners. So here you would be getting 3 months of internship and performance-based PPO. So if your performance is good, then you'll be made kind of permanent as well. So who can apply? One who has got experience in Playwright, one who understands AI-based testing concepts like self-healing scripts, smart test generation. You have worked on automation frameworks, not just theory. You know REST API testing plus SQL basics. You can code in Java or Python. So all of these things are required. Right? And you can share your CV to this particular email address. This is actually a consulting services company, Prod DT. There's a consulting services company, right? Then there's a requirement to join the sourcing team at Capgemini. So there's a 6 month internship which offers learning exposure in sourcing talent research, and they're looking for candidates who can work from the Mumbai office. Preferred education background is 2025 pass out only. MBA, BBA, BCA, BCS, BTech, BE, MSCA, MSc, all of these things are required. And here is a link wherein you have to apply. Okay. Now let me also share with you the remote job link. So what we have done is we have made a list of the companies who are hiring either remote or work from home or work from office or hybrid, those kind of opportunities. So you can get those opportunities. So let me share that kit also with you. Okay. So here is the remote QA job accelerator kit, and they are looking for Feb 2026 hiring. And it's a remote QA roles, right? It's India-friendly roles, hybrid opportunities, or work from office opportunities. So we have verified there are 25 plus companies which are hiring. You need to apply to those companies. And the kit is in the form of a course, but it's not a course. You have to check the Excel file that has been attached there. Okay. Because in the course, we cannot make videos on these jobs, right? So we have created an Excel file wherein you'll get the link directly to apply. You have to submit your resume and you will be done. So you have to apply over there. Just take the Excel file from that particular tutorial and apply. Okay. Why we have kept it in the course format? Because in the course format, we can update the things. That's what we would be doing. In the 14th February, we updated walk-in drive. Now we will be updating the walk-in drive details for 21st February as well. So that weekly to weekly, you get updates and you don't have to pay again. It's just one time short investment that you have to do. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if anyone is interested to enroll here, feel free to enroll. The batch will be starting from 23rd of February, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. We would be connecting from Monday to Friday. Saturday would be a kind of a mock interviews or doubt solving sessions. Sunday would be off. So Monday to Friday, the sessions will be there. And everything from the scratch will be covered. Even if you don't have any knowledge of coding, it will be covered. How to get calls, how to create your resume, how to build your interview things, how to build your confidence, how to get rid of the fear of the coding. Everything would be covered from the scratch here. So don't worry. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.